Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Fawzah Hanifairan. Today I would like to present my project paper, The Relationship Between Public Service Motivation and Ethical Leadership in Organisation Performance at Malaysia Military Training Academy. My supervisor is Associate Prof. T.S. Dr. Jessica Ong Firelai. The scope of my research is introduction, objective, methodology, discussion, and conclusion. A person's decision to join the military commonly motivated by the intrinsic and extrinsic factor, including rank, position, salary, achievement, security of job, and challenging in working environment. The most factor that individual joining the military because attraction to the military values such as public duty and close relationship with community and volunteering value in the armed force policy encourage individuals to extend their skill, knowledge, and ability into military organization with regard. The task was developed the higher motivation to their employee to become more competent and relevant to the organization. However, there are no tools to measure the impact of the motivation on the public efficacy toward organization performance. My research objective, one, to examine the effect of the PSM and ethical leadership on the organization performance. Two, to identify the factors that influence organization performance. Three, to provide recommendation to improve organization performance in the future. Okay, my research question is, what is the factor influence organization performance at MTA and DUM, and how does the PSM influence the efficiency of organization performance? The significance of this study is to show that the main factor of the public service associated with organization performance is MTA. Then the best approach will be suggest which can give guidelines to the MTA in managing their employee as well as good perform in public service. This study using Dewey method, which is quantitative and qualitative, and sampling total MTA personnel are 217 strength. This is my conceptual framework, 5 IB and 1 DB. Okay. PSM developing by Perry and Weiss 1990 have 4 elements: attraction to public policy, commitment to public interest, compassion, and self-sacrifice. Kim 2009 was test the modified Perry PSM model 1990 with 4 dimensions using correlation factor model among the civil servant in Korea and determines the effect of PSM on job satisfaction with positive questionnaire. As a result, the modified positive questionnaire is more relevant to indicate APM instead using Perry negative word. A various scholar was also used ethical leadership to identify the factor impact on PSM and organization performance. Okay. Broad et al. 218 defined that the PSM as a set of need a person intention related to serving society and lead the organization to hiring the potential manager to utilize PSM as an alternative business strategy. There have several number of PSM models have been discussed by various scholars to show the effect and efficiency of this model to organization development. The comprehensive systematic of literature review was devised the PSM into the various models that impact on the performance and satisfaction on both entity employees and public sector organization. Okay, this is my data collection, which we divide into three main sections. Demography question, item, question related to organization performance, APM, CPI, self-sacrifice, compassion, and ethical leadership. And the last section is recommendation and suggestion. Okay, for data collection, I use with various resources with detailed interview, magazine, journal, and report. And I do a pilot studies with reliability test and validity test. Okay, for data analysis, I use SPSS version 19 and analyze the obtained data from the questionnaire form, and questionnaire will develop using Likert scale to identify respondent point of view. Okay, distribution of respondent with 7 indicator: gender, age, marital status, duration of service, education level, family commitment, and income per month. Okay, according to actual test, we identify all the items have a Promba alpha more than 0.9, which is the data reliable for the study. Also, with normality test, we identify squamous and cortosis approximately between 2.0 and plus minus 5.0. And QQ plot also approximately 45 degree. For the demography analysis, I use descriptive analysis and factor analysis, Kaiser, Meyer, or King. Okay, for descriptive analysis, mean score more than 3.5 and more, standard deviation close to mean score. Then KMO is 0.916 with Bartlett test of severity 0.00. Educate for further analysis. Okay, for result from factor analysis, illustrate the factor found in questionnaire which educate for further analysis as per shown. And for the demography factor analysis, T-test and R value, there are no relationship between PSM and gender, marital status, age, and duration of service. ANOVA test to identify the relationship of education level have strong relationship with APM, SS, and compassion. Family commitment have strong relationship with APM and OP. As a result, demographic features are not influence organization performance. Okay, to examine effect, public service motivation, and ethical leadership to organization performance, correlation test find all items have moderate correlation with value between 0.4 to 0.7 and p-value more 0.01. For regression analysis, R square value is 0.699, determine 69.9 organism performance could be explained by phi IV. Constant value show 0.404, determine PSM and EL at 0. The OP would be 0.404. The highest standard coefficient is ethical leadership 0.444, follows by APM 0.1 0.95 and sacrifice 0.159. The variant inflation factor show moderate value between 3 to 4, and only ethical leadership have a strong influence organization performance, with T value 7.071 and P 0.000. From figure 1.1, this is a research model as per shown, that only ethical leadership have most significant impact on the organization's performance, with T value 7.071 and P more 0.01 among the MTA instructor and staff. My conclusion is, a leader in military organization may influence their subordinates to join any public service activity. As military organization, the element of leadership is an important aspect to allow employees involved in public service activity, including humanitarian, operation, or disaster. Okay, my recommendation to organization, MTA should concern about the leadership element in developing the organization policy to achieve competitive advantage, and to researcher expand the models such as community perception toward the organization. Okay, that's all my presentation today. Thank you.